Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I just wanted to show you a quick little gift packaging idea. This is one of the little miniature candles from Bath & Body Works, and it has a little Halloween theme with the cat on it. And so we're going to make a little box to put it in, an open topped box. And so I'm starting with a piece of pumpkin pie that's 6.5 by 6.5, and then I scored it at 2 inches on all 4 sides. Okay, now I'm going to take my foam folder and give all of those score lines a good crease. And this style of box is really called like a berry basket because the sides are open and it's really cute and easy to make. So let me find my scissors and we'll get to trimming. All right, so we're going to trim off the 4 corners of this box formed by these intersecting score lines, okay? Okay. And the last one. Okay, so now you can save these scraps for another project. Now we are going to take some pieces of designer paper. This is from the Toil and Trouble collection, and these are cut at 2 1/4 by 1 3/4, and we're going to adhere those on all 4 sides. And I chose the little cat theme paper to go along with the candle. I couldn't decide whether to make a basic black little box or pumpkin pie, but I decided to go with pumpkin pie because of, I'll show you in a minute the reason I did. I'm using some basic black cardstock to back an image that I'm going to put on the front. Okay, one more. And you can see how quickly this can go together. Really, the most time-consuming part is putting the twine in. Okay, the twine is going to hold the sides together. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my handheld circle punch, and I'm going to punch in the corner through the designer paper and the cardstock. Okay. Alright, trying to be a little bit uniform here, and then the last side here. Okay, so now you're going to take your bone folder and just curl the sides a bit, and that's what gives the box the berry shape, and it kind of opens the sides, makes them gap just a little bit, hence the name berry basket, because that's what they look like. Okay, so now we're going to pull these sides up, and I've got some basic black baker's twine, and I'm just going to push that through there and then through this one. There are several fibers that we're dealing with here, so, and I could put a piece of tape around it and maybe make it a little bit easier, but I'm just going to try it like this, and I'll tie them in just a minute. So go through here. Oh, that worked quickly. Okay, and I'm really cutting off probably a little bit too much, but I want to have enough room. Oops, to tie a bow. Okay, let's go through here, here. All right, and then one more side, one more corner I should say, and here. Okay. All right, let's tie these up. And that's going to complete the construction of our basket. You see how much easier it is to have plenty of twine here. And then you can just trim the ends. Or leave it long if you like. I'm going to trim a bit. And you're matching, when you pull the twine together, you're pulling the corners together, but you should have a little gap in between the sides like that. That is because you did the bending with the bone folder, okay, to give that cute little shape. All right. Trim as I go. All right, 2 more. These little candles are really cute. I wish I would have bought another one. I was a little in a hurry when I picked it up and really wasn't planning on buying candles because I was doing my little hand sanitizer containers and I needed those. So I just picked up one real quick, and I may see what else they have for the holidays. All right, last side. See how cute this is? I love this little box. I've made it for years. Always different. Same little construction. All right, so there we have that. And then you can decide what you want for your front. And I like this side right here, I think. Not that it matters. And what I did is I took this little cat from the Trick or Tweet stamp set from the holiday catalog, and I just colored him with some Stampin' Blends and Wink of Stella. And I've got some Stampin' Dimensionals already mounted on the back. And I punched him with a 1 3/4 inch circle punch out of Whisper White, and the black cardstock is a 2-inch circle punch. So I'm just going to center him right there. And you just want to be sure that the circle doesn't extend beyond the edge, the bottom edge of your box, so it stands upright. Okay, you can't really see that there, but I'll have a picture of it. So what I've done now, I've cut some thin strips of basic black cardstock, and I'm just going to wad that up. And I do this several ways. Sometimes I do that and set the little gift on top, but I think what I'm going to do is put that in there and tuck this around. And I'll show you the front of it in just a minute. And you may need to add more cardstock later if you want to fill it more. Okay, so there it is, a cute little gift that you can give someone. And I love this box. Give it a try. If you have questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com for the project measurements and details, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.